Here's a Element 4K Smart Xumo TV. I'm going to show you how to reset the sound/audio settings. You want to do that, maybe you have issues with the audio in your TV, maybe it's delayed, maybe it's echoing and so on. Anyway, very simple. What you got to do is go to the home screen, click on the home button and go to the settings, go to the gear icon up there. If not, if you have this remote here, you should have a settings button right there, that gear icon. So just click on that, and on the left pane here, we're going to go down to picture and sound, okay on the remotes. And then from here, we're just going to go down to audio settings, right there, click on OK on the remote. Now, if we look at the very bottom, it says reset sound settings. Now, first, if you just go down here, we're going to click on OK. And before we reset the settings, before you do that, what you may want to try first is this, okay? Is with the TV on, grab your power cord, pull it out the socket, count to 15 seconds, plug it back in there, turn the TV on and see if your audio sound is working, okay? If not, then you can go ahead and proceed to reset. So I'm gonna go ahead and reset it now. It's already highlighted, click on OK. Your sound settings are being reset. Okay, it's been reset, click on OK, and there you go. You just reset your sound audio.